Hello my people, how na dey? Hope na dey fine. Please help me to love and like and share this video. E get one video where I see wey be say I want talk about una know that boy wey they call easy boy wey be say he deport himself go Nigeria. E get one video where be say he do come carry some children come out make dem come dey insult people wey dey for abroad. Not be only that one, another one still dey wey be say he still do wey they call, he say make dem dey insult single mother. You see all these things where you be say you they do, my brother. I they look and say maybe you are depressed. Yes. Because person where they normal. You know if they do that kind of thing. Because there are many things where you be say they where you feel they use they do content. Not be like this one where you carry innocent children come out, make they come they talk those things where we say then get murder. Because you the thing say women where they for abroad, their kpekus don't tamba, be their toto don't spoil. That Nigeria where you did, many did there where be say then they do all this olo show where. Now upper direct now then they use until they do. It not be the one where be say that they do for abroad. Upper direct now that they do when it comes to money, say maybe some allergy, just give them 500,000. They not worry, even though say the man even get something for body, maybe he get sickness, they will carry go upper direct. Why you not they use your sense? I be because of say you can't the deportation, it can't like cannot, it can't affect your brain. I just they ask because you see this video where you do so insulting women where they for abroad, insulting single mother where be say then they for here. Tomorrow, now those single mother, all those women, now you go still run, come meet tomorrow, say you need help. This video where you do, it will affect you tomorrow. Yes. If you want to do content, there are many things where you go use to do content. If not to the video road where be say not good, or maybe you get farm, as you take they do your farm, all those things, you can use this to the do content. Not be like this one. One I not get sense. I not understand. Now you carry yourself, go back. Say you no want say again because of say you no get strength to work. Because work if full that Germany. Work full that Germany. They say that the beg person say come and work. If not to use another person a better work, you no fit do. Then for that one you carry yourself, you carry go Naija. You no go let peace reign for people where they say they for the abroad. You remember when you come out, come they cry, say make them give you small thing. The house where you be say you not finish. Now people where still there for this abroad, now still give them to you. Now those single mother where you be say you they insult now they still they sense small thing can't give you. One and not they get sense. If one single mother maybe it do anyhow, must that be say now all the single mother their head not correct. I be una the thing say now everybody will be say all the women where they for abroad none of them do. But some people they will be say their husband carry come. Some people they will be say now they use their self and they carry their self come here. So if your own sister say na so it bekus na so it can't be, you know me say na so another person you'll be. Use your sense, this boy, because you don't get sense. Person where deport himself like that go Nigeria, you supposed to lawyer in case it because now Nigeria you dey. According to your story, your sister not even they like you not send anybody where they that Nigeria, not send una. You will be say you can't carry yourself go Nigeria instead of make you lawyer, make you they like they do video where they make sense. You they misbehave. Why you they misbehave? Why you they now depression they worry you? I understand say you can't see yourself for Nigeria and say, oh, why it can't be like this? Because according to your video, you say never, nothing go make you come abroad again. Sometimes waiting you not expect. You're the thing say if I reach Nigeria, life go just be like this for me, like this. I'm how you want to see. Make I play the short video for now because when I see that video, I was shocked. Say, what did they do this boy? If na fan you want go they do the fan. They show us how you take they do the fan. If you say they do barbing hair, why you not concentrate on your barbing hair? Maybe people come they say, this boy don't they try, or maybe they even they look you say, maybe I will still go down Nigeria. Doing all these things meaning that the frustration is too much. Not be lie. Make una listen to the video. It's very bad, Try and see the video.
Una dey suffer, single mothers. Una dey suffer. Single mother is what? Single mother is what? Single mother
So single mother then they suffer. But now then they give you money when you be say you open a when you say maybe they can't do some donation for you, maybe they give you some help. You go feel swear say you never use single mother money. Eh? All those some single mother now they get good heart pass. Now person like you, they still make them single mother. Not be all some people they will be say they just choose to be single mother. Person like you, they go still give them belly, go still run, leave them. They will come be single mother, they take care of their children, they go. So why you not get sense? I know say you be small boy, you be small pikin, but try to make you get sense, try make you grow up. If now music, the music where you say you want come they do, now they do your music and move on with your life. Why they throw your insult to people where you say tomorrow, then you feel need their help. Because never you say never in life. Why? Now those people now, when be say you can't they insult now, tomorrow now say maybe something can't get as it be. Because if it can happen to anybody. You call live video, you can't tell them say, if na small, make una help una brother. If they not can help, people they say they be bad person. And which they're not supposed to help you, because the way we say they go so. The way we say they insult the up and down in the name of say they do content. You they think say people they clap for you, and you are doing it well. You see those people where they clap for you, they will not be there for you. Insulting single mother, what did they do you? Women where they for abroad, they are total not good again. Single mother, they are don't taban. How do you know that? For family now, you want to tell me now say you not get single mother. You must get single mother go there. Does that mean say it don't taban? Use your sense, may you behave well. They behave like even the children where you carry say they even get sense past you. When you carry make because they talk all these things, they get sense past you. Now because of say you don't buy them biscuit and bread, now make them come they talk all these things. Because those children, if you really sit down, tell them say they can't do these things because you don't give them biscuit and bread, they're not gonna talk. They will say no, my mommy not go like her. You carry them go bush. I believe say you never born. You for joy, you for carry your own, you tell they do all those things. You know when you know say social media not they forget something. What did they do you? You they smoke. If you they smoke, they use your sense. If you not good for your body, leave on. Because not be everybody sabi smoke. Why worry and nyokerene una jopu e Morocco? Why wa agbeli kiae? When they insult people when not even near una. That children where you carry for there, it not good. What do you do? Okay, it not good. Not they misbehave. You too they try to they throw insult. Can they give now they send you message. People wait there for abroad. Not be the abroad you fed there before. Mamia bebo yak bebo. You not see your hand take work. Or boy VB. You don't reach Nigeria now. Now you carry yourself go. You want to use your money ke wa do janje manire manegbe. They send you message. They not send you. So which can they do you now? Tomorrow now you can they cry. Una no want help. Una no want give. The time where you there here, you know they give. The time where you there here, you know they work. I'm your why, but why go on worry your woman? Behave yourself well. When you enter, go they find something they do. When you go see one, so you want to do the music where you say you want to insulting people, then you want them to come to your name your show. Why it's your bonnet man if you not can't do show, people can say only no zoo and what you want to go do for them because now the things you now do something, you now don't forget. People where you do and so they never forget. According to you, you say you be small musician where you say you they come. As you dey belly for live video, so now people want to say they want to support you. Or they common sense when I not get. So now why zoo of a media now lead that one I know. Or zoo, I see your life. You deport yourself instead of to they do well. Make people they see and say, make I still give you something. What your bonnet and not cannot give you something. Please send me to love and like and share this video. Now so then they do. That's all that they do. They'll come they say, what is your bonnet? I'm not when not your bonnet when you tongue when they agbe. But we must set you. Go they do baby now. You they carry small children come. Make they come they insult adults. You see you. Meaning you not get sense. Meaning you mad responsible. You see your life. Yama yama. Now bye bye my people.